Welcome to the Bamboo Fabric Factory, where nature meets innovation. T-shirts, hoodies, trousers, and
Every soft bamboo t-shirt begins deep inside a carefully managed bamboo forest. Today, we'll follow every step from bamboo to finished clothing. Only mature bamboo with strong fiber quality is selected. Careful selection ensures premium textile production. The bamboo is harvested using precision cutting equipment. Clean cuts help preserve strong textile fibers.
branches are removed before industrial processing begins. Only clean bamboo stems continue forward. Uniform bamboo sections improve factory handling. Standard lengths increase processing efficiency.
Every shipment is inspected before production. Quality begins at the receiving dock.
Automated conveyors feed bamboo into production. Each batch is digitally tracked. Every bamboo stalk must meet strict quality standards. Only premium material enters textile production. High-pressure washing removes natural contaminants. Clean bamboo ensures higher quality fiber.
The outer shell is removed to expose usable fibers. The inner core contains valuable cellulose.
The outer shell is removed to expose usable fibers. The inner core contains valuable cellulose.
The bamboo is chipped into uniform pieces. Consistent chip size improves fiber extraction.
Screening removes dust and uneven particles. Only uniform bamboo chips continue.
The prepared bamboo chips are now ready for pulping. Next, the cellulose extraction process begins. Measured bamboo chips are automatically fed into the pulping system. This begins the transformation from solid bamboo into cellulose pulp. Steam and controlled chemicals separate cellulose from natural binding materials. The bamboo structure gradually breaks down into pulp. The cooked bamboo is converted into a thick cellulose slurry. The next stage removes dissolved impurities. Multiple washing stages purify the cellulose fibers. Clean pulp is essential for producing soft textile yarn. Fine screening creates a uniform cellulose mixture. Only purified fibers continue through production. Controlled bleaching improves the purity of the cellulose. The clean white pulp is now ready for refining. Refining creates an even, high-quality cellulose pulp. The next stage prepares it for spinning into bamboo textile fibers. The purified cellulose is transformed into a smooth spinning solution. Precise control ensures consistent fiber quality. Ultrafine filtration removes microscopic contaminants. Only perfectly clean solution can produce premium fibers. Vacuum treatment removes every trapped air bubble. This ensures continuous and defect-free fiber spinning. Microscopic spinnerets transform liquid cellulose into continuous fibers. This is where bamboo textile fibers are born. The liquid filaments rapidly solidify into textile fibers. Each strand gains its final strength and structure. Multiple washing stages leave the fibers exceptionally clean. Only pure cellulose fibers continue to drying. Warm air removes moisture under carefully controlled conditions. The fibers are now soft, dry, and ready for finishing. The fibers are gently crimped for better spinning performance. Next, these bamboo fibers will be transformed into strong textile yarn. Carding separates and aligns every bamboo fiber. This creates a smooth foundation for spinning high-quality yarn.
Drawing improves fiber consistency and strength. Several slivers become one perfectly balanced strand.
Roving prepares the fibers for final yarn spinning. A slight twist keeps the fibers stable.
Ring spinning transforms bamboo fibers into durable yarn. Precise twisting gives every strand its strength.
The yarn is wound into perfectly balanced cones. Electronic sensors remove any remaining defects.
Every yarn batch is tested before fabric production. Only approved yarn continues to the next stage.
Hundreds of yarn cones feed the knitting machine. Accurate threading prevents defects during production.
Thousands of needles knit the bamboo yarn together. The soft bamboo fabric begins to take shape. Every meter of knitted fabric is carefully inspected. Only flawless fabric continues to finishing.
The knitted bamboo fabric is now ready for coloration. Next, advanced dyeing technology creates the finished fabric color. The bamboo fabric absorbs eco-friendly dye evenly. Precise temperature control ensures rich, consistent color. Excess dye is removed through multiple rinsing stages. This improves color fastness and fabric cleanliness.
Neutralization stabilizes the dyed bamboo fabric. This prepares it for efficient moisture removal. The hydro extractor removes excess water efficiently. This shortens the drying process significantly. The stenter machine locks the fabric into its final dimensions. This ensures consistent garment sizing later.
A premium softening finish enhances comfort. This gives bamboo fabric its signature silky feel.
Calendaring produces a cleaner and smoother fabric surface. It enhances both appearance and texture. The bamboo fabric is now production ready. Next, it will be transformed into finished garments.
Controlled drying protects the softness of the bamboo fabric. Uniform airflow prevents shrinkage and distortion.
The bamboo fabric is now production ready. Next, it will be transformed into finished garments.
The finished bamboo fabric is carefully spread into multiple layers. This preparation maximizes cutting accuracy and material efficiency. Computer software arranges every pattern for maximum fabric utilization. This minimizes waste while maintaining precision. The CNC cutter produces perfectly matched garment panels. Every cut follows digital specifications with millimeter accuracy.
Each garment component is sorted automatically. The production line now divides into specialized sewing stations.
The first seams form the basic t-shirt structure. Automated stitching delivers speed and consistency. Sleeves and neckbands complete the bamboo t-shirt. The production line now shifts to hoodies. Large bamboo fabric panels form the hoodie body. Every seam is sewn with industrial precision. The hood, pocket, and rib trims complete the hoodie. Attention now turns to bamboo trousers. The bamboo trousers take shape with precision stitching. Strong seams provide durability for everyday wear. Every garment is now fully assembled. The final stage focuses on inspection, finishing, and packaging. Every garment is carefully inspected before approval. Only flawless products continue to the next stage. Computerized measurements verify every garment size. Precision ensures consistent customer fit. Strength testing confirms durable construction. Every batch must meet strict quality standards. Every loose thread is carefully removed. Attention to detail creates a premium appearance. Steam pressing removes wrinkles and perfects the garment shape. This creates a crisp, retail-ready finish. The garments cool while maintaining their finished form. They are now ready for presentation. Automatic folding ensures every garment looks identical. Presentation is just as important as production. Labels and care instructions complete each garment. Every product is now ready for packaging. Each garment is sealed to protect its quality. Packaging keeps every product clean during transport. Finished garments are packed into shipping cartons. The final journey to customers is about to begin. Every shipment is digitally recorded for full traceability. Accurate inventory keeps global deliveries organized. Every order is verified before shipping. This prevents errors and ensures accurate deliveries. Protective wrapping secures every shipment. The cartons remain stable throughout transportation. Shipping labels connect every pallet to its destination. Digital tracking continues throughout the delivery journey.
The finished garments are ready to leave the factory. Careful handling protects every shipment. Each pallet is carefully positioned inside the trailer. Secure loading prevents movement during transport.
A final inspection confirms shipment accuracy. Every delivery is approved before departure. The bamboo garments begin their journey worldwide. From factory to customers, every step is carefully managed.
The bamboo garments are finally ready for customers. From a bamboo forest to premium clothing, the journey is complete.
Feel how incredibly soft this bamboo knit is. It's much lighter than traditional cotton.
Wow, it really is smooth.
From active lifestyles to everyday comfort, bamboo fabric performs beautifully. The manufacturing precision can be seen in every detail. Every garment represents dozens of carefully controlled production stages. Modern automation and skilled workers make it all possible. Advanced automation keeps production efficient and consistent. Real-time monitoring maintains exceptional product quality. Modern textile factories invest in cleaner production technologies. Efficient resource management supports responsible manufacturing. Every finished garment reflects careful craftsmanship. Quality is visible in every stitch and every seam. Behind every product is a dedicated team of skilled professionals. Their expertise brings bamboo clothing to life. From bamboo forests to advanced manufacturing technology, this is the remarkable journey behind every bamboo garment.
A simple bamboo plant has become premium everyday clothing. Technology and craftsmanship make this transformation possible.
From a single bamboo stalk to premium clothing, every stage reflects precision, innovation, and skilled craftsmanship.